Since humans created the first tool with stones, we have embarked on a journey of no return. We explored the ocean, conquered the land, touched the starry sky, even unraveled the secrets of genes. And now we stand on a new frontier. The frontier of time. Before you travel through time and space, there are a few rules that you must remember. You will exist in the form of electronic signals in the past. Changing the past can to some extent change the present. You need to draw the target's attention, leave a warning, and save them from disaster. Are you ready? Let's go.